just brought us some red tea, real thick. It's like a tomato watermelon juice, like a red lemonade.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And about the temple opens 7 o'clock until 5 o'clock.
Okay.
If you have the ticket, then you can go at 5 o'clock. If you don't have ticket yet. And this is our information and Wi-Fi code.
New Airbnb at the Rye Anger Boutique. Just got in, that's all our stuff. The beds are nice. I don't know where the light is for the shower, but that's basically the shower. I'm just trying to get the patio door open.
It's pretty cool. There's a really nice view.
It's a pool that we get.
Get all the stuff that I need for.
It's our balcony. Time to head back in, guys. We're in this hotel for 2 days. Gotta check out the other one because there was misbookings between Airbnb and it had a new owner. But this one looks pretty decent. Looks a little bit better. Smells a lot better. It's not as big, but it's pretty cool. I am bringing laundry. I'm about to go get lunch, but I'm bringing laundry downstairs. They do it by the kilo, like $1 a kilo. All right. Good, that's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Walking down the street, me and Daniel, you see him back there. So walking down the street to get something to eat. I don't see too much food here, but maybe we'll get lucky. I don't know. We didn't want any wings, so we're gonna go down a little bit and see what else is available. Hopefully there's some more options down here. Oh, there's a pet shop over there. Oh yeah, looks like there's more food here. Let's see what kind of food these people offer over here. It just looks like a cake shop. I don't want no cake. I guess we'll go back and get it from that chicken place. That's the only thing we saw. It looks like we found the coconut house, which might have something for us to enjoy if they're open. It does look like they're open. Just ordered some fried rice. I think like some chicken strips fried, I don't know. Inside this shop, we just ordered lunch. So we got 2 of those rices, and then we got that chicken that's on the right. So we got, and then we also got these pork skewers maybe? Yeah, so we got that right there on the left. So I'm in their kitchen. Taking you behind the scenes where they're cooking it. Lunch came out to like $8.86. I guess regular normal Southeast Asia portions. But we're on our way back to the room. So apparently we're lost. Don't know how we got here, and so I hope we're heading the right way this time. Daniel found the pet shop. He looks so adorable, don't they? They're all knocked out. I hope they treat him well. So this is the alleyway down to our hotel room. We are at the Anchor Rye Boutique. A picture, but it's a video. I don't know why it's doing that.
Well, good. I'm glad that it's not something that's going to get posted.
It's a picture for us. Not every picture has to get posted. It's a family picture. How you doing, everybody? Tenaj is right next to me, but she's not in. It's a good word. proper attire. So we're just chilling here on our balcony in Cambodia. This is not tea. This is actually absolute vodka. Yeah. So we're just chilling up here. Just a nice breeze going. We've been up here for the past 30-40 minutes, I think. Relaxing and unwinding. Cambodia's, well, Siem Reap where we are is pretty quiet right now. I know last night it was pretty lively. It's pretty alive. I think our Airbnb was, how much was this? $25-30 a night. It's not bad. It's pretty cool actually, I like it. I'm supposed to be going to Angkor Wat tomorrow. I just really like this. The wind is just blowing beautifully up here. How does wind blow? How does wind blow beautifully? I don't know. But it's blowing vertically. It might go. This is my monologue. You don't see me often talk, but when I'm in the mood, I could just run my mouth. That's all I got to say. So I'll see you next time.
What you gonna do with all that cash? Stay out in.
So I've come to the realization that tarantulas really are not that bad. Not really that bad. Tastes like chicken.
All that bad. I'm gonna